Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Southwest vacations coupons and coupon codes. So what you can do is while you are here, you might as well enter your email address in to get our deals daily, and they will send you deals on the daily. Under recently added coupons on deals, you can scroll down. You might just find what you are looking for. There you go, Southwest vacations. Just click and you will get the code and be redirected to the site, and or you can shop how I like to with a search. So just simply search here Southwest Airline Vacations Savings Headquarters page with a bunch of coupon. Just find the one you like and click on this get coupon codes, and you will be redirected to their site and be ready to save. If there is a coupon code that's available, just click on the link here and it will be copied to your clipboard, and upon checkout you can just paste it. It's that easy. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to use Southwest vacation coupon and coupon codes. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.